Losing weight doesn't have to be complicated or extreme. Today, we'll cover 10 simple weight loss tips that actually work. No gimmicks, just science-backed habits. Tip 1. Drink water before meals. Water fills you up and helps you eat fewer calories. Try a glass 30 minutes before eating. Tip 2. Use smaller plates. Trick your brain into eating less by controlling portion sizes with smaller plates. Tip 3. Eat whole foods. Base your meals on lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains. These keep you full and energized. Tip 4. Don't eat late at night. Late night snacking often adds empty calories. Set a cutoff time after dinner. Tip 5. Move more daily. It's not just workouts. Take the stairs, walk during breaks, and stay active throughout the day. Tip 6. Cut out sugary drinks. Soda and juices are calorie bombs. Replace them with sparkling water or green tea. Tip 7. Eat mindfully. Chew slowly, savor your food, and listen to your hunger cues to prevent overeating. Tip 8. Plan your meals. Meal prepping keeps you in control and prevents last-minute unhealthy choices. Tip 9. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, making you crave more. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Tip 10. Stay consistent. Weight loss isn't about perfection. Small, steady changes add up to long-term results. Simple habits practiced daily can completely change your weight loss journey. You don't need a crash diet, you need consistency. At SDKare, we help you build sustainable weight loss plans tailored to your body and lifestyle. From nutrition to medical support, our providers are here for you. Your goals are possible, and you don't have to do it alone. Visit sdkare.com to get expert help today. SDKare, simple, dedicated care, because weight loss should be simple.